I'm Subhash. Today we'll see about the brain surgery application. This is for to do the surgery in emergency cases. So this is a team from Arizona State University. So let's start with the equipment that we have for our operation. We have a microscribe which is used as an arm to track the motion, and we have a head, and we have the software application. Now let's see about what the software is. Janigram will proceed with that.
Right. So we'll now just go through all the buttons here on the left panel of this application. The first one is, please zoom here, okay. The first one is register patient. We'll register the patient. Then load image. We'll load the image of the CT scan into the application. Then add image landmark. Here we'll take 3 points of in the image and we'll add them to the landmark. Okay. Then we'll start the microscribe and say initialize tracker. Then the application is ready to take the input from the microscribe. Okay. Then the 3 points which we pick from the image, we will match that to the real coordinates, assuming this is an operation theater. Okay. So these 3 points we'll pick. Then we'll calculate the landmark registration error. If it is okay, we can proceed. We'll pick up a target point where the error, where the problem is, and we'll pick up an entry point where we'll start drilling from into the brain. Okay, and then we'll click on this tracking where it will show the movement of the microscribe through the slices of the CT scan when we move this microscribe. Okay, then let's start this application. So register patient name. Okay, then we load the CT images.
It takes a while to get the CT's images loaded because there are about 100 of images and it captures every slice of it.
Okay. Here, since the patient name is exactly Adam as in the CT scan, so it didn't ask if there is any mismatch between CT scans, or else the application would ask that CT scans is another patient and the name given is another patient. Okay. Now we'll enlarge these images. So now we have a good view of the CT images, and these are the slice numbers 125 to 55 and all. Now we'll pick 3 points. The first one is the ear, okay, and the next one is the second ear, and the third one is the nose. Now I'll initialize the tracker. Now we will translate the original coordinates to the CT scan by using this microscribe. So I'll put this on the first ear. Okay. Then the second ear. Okay. Then the nose. Okay. So now I'll click the landmark registration where it will show some error between the images the points which we marked on the image and the real images. Okay, now we'll accept it. Then we'll pick up a target point and the entry point. Now this green line is the path connecting the target point and entry point, which we need to finally arrive at in this. Okay, then now the tracking has started. So now you can see that when we move the microscribe on the head, there are changes in the slices of the image. So these changes in the slices will indicate the surgeon where exactly the arm is and the point is. Okay, and it is still incomplete in the sense of verifying the slice positions and all, but this is a small working prototype which we can see that the slices are moving when we are moving the arm physically. So this is our demo application which we have shown in the Polytech Day presentation, and it was a very good success.
Thank you.
Thank you.